Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Use the following command to download and install the Linux client on any supported Linux distribution. Once installation complete, you need to configure the Linux client by running this command. Use the command status to get a URL for your web browser. Go to your web browser and adjust the URL that you get from the command status. Log in your site. After that, you can work with the TwinGate. Once you're logged into your website, use this URL address to work with the TwinGate. If you have any question, leave them in comment.